Yeah, buddy. So today we're gonna do a step-by-step tutorial how to complete a DoorDash order. Let's get it done. Alrighty, so step number 1 to completing your DoorDash order is accepting your order. So we accepted our order already. We got $6.50 for 3.6 miles. Somebody want them a good old Mr. Beast burger. So we're gonna go ahead and hook them up. We're gonna accept this order, then we're gonna head on in there and get it picked up. This one's actually at Red Robin. So they're actually the restaurant that makes the Mr. Beast burgers. So we're gonna go there, get it picked up, show you how it is when you pick up those orders.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alrighty, so we got them picked up. Now we just gotta get them dropped off. Took a little time for them to make them, but that's because they was Mr. Beast burgers. So now it's time to drop them off. So when I got to Red Robin, DoorDash ended up sending me a stack. So when you get a stack, they add it on to an order you already have. So now we have 2 orders, 2 Mr. Beast burgers, and we're gonna drop off both of them. We're gonna show you how it's done. And you want to make sure you snap a photo, preferably if you can get the address in there, even better. Alrighty, first order down, let's get the next one done. And you always want to make sure that you're looking out for the addresses as you approaching on the map.
Really, nigga?
Because it's not always accurate. And I almost passed it up, but it's all good. We made it. So now we're gonna click that we arrived if we have that option, which this time we do not. And we're gonna head on over and get it delivered. Put that down, snap a photo, and you all set. Once you get done, it'll give you a little screen like this asking if you were happy with it, and it was all right. So for that one, we got a total of $7.50, and that was a stack. So we got $7.50 for one and $4 for the other one.